welcome back. This is episode 3 of Cooking with Your Girl. Okay, and on this episode we are going to be making mashed potatoes, but not any kind of mashed potatoes. We're going to be making some garlic cheesy vegan mashed potatoes. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. So you're going to need some, I don't know what you call these potatoes, some Idaho potatoes, some regular potatoes, 4 of them bad boys, okay? You're also going to be needing some nutritional yeast. Now this is the stuff that's going to make it taste cheesy. If you don't have this, it's not going to taste cheesy, okay? You need this. This was like $5 at, you guessed it, Walmart. Girl, get you $5 from Walmart, okay? Get this if you want it to taste cheesy. It also has B12 vitamins in there, which are really great for vegans and everybody in general, and other great vitamins in here. So as well as getting your vitamins in there, it's gonna taste cheesy in your food, so get that. I'm gonna be using some Himalayan pink salt and also some ground pepper, as well as a little bit of garlic powder. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys down so you can see what I'm doing, okay? Cut them, take off the peel, and we're gonna put this in this pot right here with some water. So I will speed this up or do something cool so y'all don't have to watch me do all that, okay? You need to have some knife skills, okay? If you don't have no knife skills, get you somebody that has knife skills, okay? Or learn. You need to learn anyway, okay? How you gonna cut your food and you don't know how to use a knife? Come on, girl. Get it together. So you need to know how to be able to do all this for cutting your fingers off, okay? Done chopping all the potatoes. I just put it in a pot of water. Just make sure you have enough water to boil with, and you want to go ahead and put it on, let's say on medium-high heat, and you just want to let these boil until they get tender. And if you've never cooked potatoes before, they're tender when you could take a fork and pierce the potato with it, okay? So I will come back when these are tender, and then we can go ahead and season it. Okay, so we have let these cooked on medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna drain the water just by taking the lid and moving it like that and draining it. Simple as that. So I will do that and be right back. Okay, so we have drained most of the liquid and now it is time to season. So we're gonna go ahead and put some ground black pepper in there. And then some Himalayan pink salt. You can put salt to taste. This is about a teaspoon, so maybe like 1.5 teaspoons of salt in there. I don't like things too salty, so really you can put as much salt as you want. Now the main ingredient, the nutritional yeast. I like to put a lot. So this is what I mean by a lot. Okay, I don't know how much that is, but that's a shake over, like 2 shakes like this, okay? So that's how much that is. And we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of garlic powder in there, not a lot. I don't like too much of an overpowering garlic flavor. If you don't either, then don't put too much. Look, that's about it right there, okay? You don't need too much. I'm choosing not to put any butter in here, but if you would like to put some butter in here, some vegan butter, you can try Earth Balance. Earth Balance is pretty good, so that could be an option if you would like to include it. Like I said, I'm not going to today. So we're also going to put a little bit of some almond milk in there, like a splash, not too much, just to help with the creaminess. And we could always put more in there if it's looking a little dry. So now we're just gonna go ahead and just start pushing down on the spoon just to kind of mash all the flavors in there. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. So depending how smooth you want it, keep on smashing it. If you don't care if there's chunks in there, then you know you don't have to smash it as much. I really don't care if it has lumps in there. Doesn't bother me. I just really love potatoes, so I'm not too particular when it comes to my potatoes. Let me get a little taste. That's good. That is pretty much it, and we're just gonna eat it from the pot right here. So I'm gonna bring you guys back up. Okay, so I am back on the scene. Hey, so we're gonna go ahead and taste this hot pot of potatoes straight out the pot. Let's see. Ooh, steaming. Y'all see that steam? Okay. So my hair. Okay. Hot. That's really good. Okay, I can eat this whole pot by myself, but we having this as a side to dinner tonight, so I'm gonna leave some. Okay, but yeah, that is a great side for whatever dinner, or sometimes I just eat mashed potatoes like that and I call it a meal, but it's up to you, boo. So that is episode 3. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to hit that bell notifications because YouTube doesn't tell you every time I post. So if you're here, please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post in this series or whatever on my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in episode 4. Oh, 4 episodes already. Oh, girl.